All right, welcome back. So we what we want to do now in this lesson is to make this hamburger menu. We are going to create a condition whereby when we click on it, it is going to show uh the home courses about us, pricing, contacts, and all. Yeah, pricing and contact. So all right. So we are going to do that right inside our UI builder, and we're going to our navbar reusable element. We talked about this in the first lesson. All right, so we want to locate our um, hamburger button. Since it is hidden, we are going to click on it from here to reveal it. All right, so now we have the hamburger shown, the hamburger icon. All right, so but before that, we want to do something first. Okay, we want to do something first. We want to create a pop-up here, a pop-up. So we are going to click on this pop-up here, yeah, and we are going to create it. Yeah, you can drag it like that. So let us name this burger pop-up. All right, so let's name it burger pop-up. Let's look at the layout. We want the layout to be a column. Yeah, you want the layout to be a column, and should we make it a fixed width? Well, no, I don't think so. All right, but for now, let us expand it like this. The minimum height should be this, and the maximum height should be that. Should be okay, yeah. So, but I want us to make the height not to be infinite. All right, okay. I think we shouldn't bother about that for now. Yeah, we shouldn't bother about that for now. So let us just create links inside. So we are going to click on link here, and yeah, so that's the first link will be the home. Then we can copy it and paste and paste and paste. I think we have 5. So just like that, we have the home courses about us. So let's go back to the burger pop-up. So this one is going to be courses. Then the next one is going to be about us. Then the next one is going to be pricing and contact. Pricing and contact here. So pricing and contact. So right here we can set where the link will take us. So to probably a different page. So you can create a new page and for the home courses about us, and that would be for later actually. But for now, we have this in our pop-up, and we want to make let us align them very well. Let's give a left padding, probably yeah, let's say 50 left padding to create space from the left, and the layout as well is column, and that is where we have our links aligned vertically. But if we put it as row, this is what we're going to have. I think we've discussed about this earlier on. So let us give a row gap of, let's say, 6. Yeah, 6 is fine for this. Yeah, but I feel we should make this minimum width, let's say 500. The minimum width 500 and the maximum width should be like 600. Yeah, so that's reduced the length. All right, so let's go on. So we want to create a condition whereby when we click on this hamburger, it is going to bring out our pop-up. Yeah, it's going to bring out our pop-up. So how are we going to do that? Let us click on our icon. Don't forget that we are inside the reusable element, the navbar, because if you do this inside the index, it won't work out because you won't find the pop-up inside the index. So we have to be under the navbar reusable elements. We have to create the pop-up under the navbar reusable element. So we want to create a condition whereby when we click on the hamburger menu, it is going to show the pop-up. So now we are going to do that under the appearance and the workflow. So all right, so we are going to create a new workflow, and that workflow is going to be okay when an element is clicked, that is when the hamburger menu is clicked, then now we are going to choose the icon here. We are going to click on the hamburger menu, that is when this is clicked. All right, so when this icon is clicked, what should happen? We are going to add an action, and the action is going to be under element action, which is under show. Yeah, show. So which element should it show? We are going to click on the burger pop-up. That is the element we want it to show. All right, so yeah, that's it. So let us test it out. Let's go back to the design and preview. Yeah, this is our preview. So let us reload this page. Here's a preview. So let us click on the hamburger menu. As you can see, yeah, we have the pop-up. So you can click anywhere to close, or let us create an X button here as well. So let's click on the pop-up, and we want to add an icon. Here. All right, okay, we are still going to position that very well. So let's search for close here, something like this. All right, so let's make it a bit bigger. The width should be 70, the height. All right, so but it's not positioned properly, so we can position it to be right aligned. Yeah, right aligned, but there's actually an issue here which we are going to solve. The issue is that this X button is coming down here, so it's coming in between the home and courses. So we are going to click on it and make it first on the list. As you can see, we can make it the next or make it last, but we are going to make it first. So if we make it first, it is going to show first, just like this. So just like that, and quickly let us create a condition for this X button to close our pop-up. So we are going to add a workflow, and the workflow is going to be when this button is clicked, element action hide. Under hide, then which element should it hide? The pop-up, the burger pop-up. Now let us go back to our design and test it out. So let's reload the page. So when we click on it, we have the home courses, about us, pricing, and when we click on the hex, it closes. So you can either click on anywhere or click on the hex to close. either of the two. So we just finished the hamburger menu. All right, so the next thing we want to do now is we want to continue with the Figma. All right, so what we have achieved so far, we've achieved the navbar, and yeah, we are done with the navbar. So let us move on to the rest of the page. What we are going to do next is this unlock your creative potential, the hero section actually. All right.